Hey Kelsey, quick video on Google Classroom. I'm sure you know a lot of the stuff that I'm going to include in this video, but I just want to make sure that everyone's getting the same information. The first thing that we like to tell teachers is to go to your settings and adjust your settings so that only teachers can post or comment on your stream, or your classroom gets all bogged down with student posts and student comments. Another thing we like to tell teachers is that it's a good idea to organize your classroom using topics, numbering assignments, and using emojis is a good organizational feature. Using emojis gives a visual cue to what you're looking for or what students are looking for. By numbering assignments, they're easily identifiable when they drop into your drive for grading. And I wanted to show you the emoji website that I like to use, because not all emojis are compatible with Google Classroom. When you use this website, Emojipedia, you can find only the emojis that are going to drop into Google Classroom without any problems. Now, I know that your specific question was that you wanted to create assignments with different due dates. Unfortunately, that's not possible in Google, but what you can do is you can create two identical assignments and assign one assignment to a specific set of students and assign the other assignment to another specific set of students. So let's say you wanted to create an assignment, and let's call it a math number 4, and maybe this one is for your remote students, let's say. And what you can do is you can you can create that assignment. You can go in here to all students. This particular platform automatically populates to all students, but when you click into this drop down right here, you're going to see all your students. So you can pick just the students that you want to have a specific due date. And then you can recreate this assignment and give it a different due date and choose a different group of students. And the last thing that I wanted to show you was that I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to delete this. Talking about a lot of work when you have to duplicate assignments. You don't always have to duplicate assignments. There is a way to reuse a post which allows you to duplicate something. So let's say I wanted to duplicate this particular assignment and I already have it created. You can go into this plus create button. You can click reuse post. I can go find that math assignment. I can reuse it, which means that it's basically duplicating it, and then I can just make my edits, and then I can reassign it or change the students that I've assigned it to along with the due date. Okay, I hope this information was helpful, and have a great day.